Bomasedo say is a village in the Upper Menya Krobo district whose residents are mainly farmers, growing such cash crops as cassava, yams, plantain and millet. Yet, according to the farmers, the bad nature of the road network means they cannot get access to the markets for their produce. Residents say successive governments have failed to carry out their promise to improve the roads in the village and adjoining communities. The farmers are therefore dreading the impending rainy season since, according to them, the roads become unmotorable whenever there is a heavy downpour.
Ibiaji Kenny Steven Jine nene hiya wa panti ji wagbejio wange wapio galinga hiyo wange tromi fu se wagbeji ohin ne lole mo bangu wa tromi hawo wangu wa hewanu ake gba se strina no wa na we tu wa nyewe nyagbe wa pa government ope ne ba ye bua o ne ba ye wa kosi no ake gbenya
o wange mama mili pepa ka ha government o ne emori ne bo wa ka pie le jine wa benyugo no anu ngayo lo pipe on ba twa le lam nyu wa anu pie ro ne lo wa government pepa samnya na aba portable na je te ma na gba bua o ne block pe block ne mama meliun eni chumi ne ya no